We got another good one for you today. We are out here at a abandoned campsite, um, state park that was shut down, I think 10, 15 years ago. Here's the bathrooms. Been some squatting going on in here, it looks like. Weird. Okay. I guess if you're just trying to get out of the weather, it's something. There's the bathrooms. We're going to jump across that here in a minute, see what's out there. Got the river right over here. I'll take y'all with me and see if there's anything over here. And then we got some more spots on farther up the road we're going to stop in front of some gates and check out too. Let's see what was back here first. Definitely got a road cut to something up here. It may just go to a spot in the river. We don't know. We'll find out when we get there. Yeah, it looks like it goes up here to a field or a river or something. Something up here. There's tractor, old tractor and field. Somebody's clearing this out for something. Don't think this really has much to do with the park anymore as of right here. Yeah, no. So there's nothing back in here. May have been a campsite or something one time or way down to the river, but it is not part of the park. However, y'all come on with me back up here. When I get back to the gate, I'll show y'all some more. It's all mowed down in there, but there's just nothing there. Somebody's made it for an access road to that field out there one time or something, probably. A lot of farming in this area. Here we are back at the gate, at the road. So we'll walk across over here. There's a parking lot that's all grown up. Even these, you can see there's parking areas here that are grown, overgrown and overran. Sidewalk's almost gone. And here's your bathrooms again. And right down there, you have your boat ramp. And you can see the little spots in the middle out there where there's little raised curves for like, I will walk over there. Well, I mean, you can see it right here. This is a grass spot and concrete curve. There's one in the middle and one farther over that looks just like this one. Abandoned and not being cared for anymore. And then right out here, you got your boat ramp. And now we'll head off and go find the rest of the camp spots, I think is what's behind these lock gates up here. And we're going to go walk and check them out. Y'all come along with me. Next spot on the way out, there's another curve way overgrown in brush. And a paved driveway that comes way out in here and makes a circle. And what I was guessing what this probably was at one time. I don't see nothing in this mess. Here, see what's back on this one. There's another curve back here. I would bet this was a spot where you would pull in at one time to clean out your RVs. There was parking spots back here. That don't make sense. Maybe there's something up there I'm missing. We gotta go look now. Maybe there's a big pond right here or something, I bet. There's a big hillside. I'll see that? We don't climb it. We have to for you. We're here. See what this goes to. I'm getting a little too old and out of shape to be climbing up things like this, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do, or you don't find things. And we do definitely have a hole of some sort here. What did we just find? I'm not sure. I'm guessing if the river overflows, it would come out of here. This is kind of cool. But the way this uphill is, it's got to be man-made, you would think. It's like an embankment here. And it's flat, like a road. And then there's just that deep hole. Like it's some kind of reservoir or something. And it looks like the creek stretches way out back in there too. Or is that a tunnel? Guys, we gotta go check this out. I just see a dark spot back there, and I don't know what it is, but I want to know. Did we find something awesome today? Or I just coming to check out a park? Or are my eyes deceiving me? I've never seen anything like this. It's weird. But it looks like it turns into a rock bluff back there, so. It's like some kind of old dried up creek bed, definitely. I mean, that's common sense. We know that. Was there a waterfall back here one time? There was. Holy crap, it's barely trickling. Guys. Oh, guys, we found a waterfall. It's not running. You see the ice on it where it was running. Wait till I get y'all back here. I can see it from here, but you probably can't on the phone or on the camera. Out of breath a little bit, sorry. See, it's just barely trickling water here. But look up there. Where it comes down that mountain. That big dark spot we've seen. See, there's water once you get up here. Big dark spot we've seen was just that big rock formation. If someone's right in y'all's way, I'm gonna try to get up here closer without getting hurt. There we go. It's just that big giant rock formation right there. And then right up there is a big old waterfall that if we had some rain would be gushing out and would be so beautiful. I wish it was open for you guys. We will. There we go. See where it comes out into a puddle? See where it's still running up there? Let's see if we can get up here a little bit more. There we go. Wow. That is epic. I did not know this was here, and I literally live maybe 10 minutes from here my whole adult life. guys. There's little spots in the rock up there if you can see it. It just look cool. Little cave stuff. This might top, I don't know if it tops the house that we found today too. That was pretty cool. I would say that one's my top abandoned house, and this is probably my top abandoned place I've ever found so far. And if you look over here, it looks like there's another one frozen way up there, and maybe it runs down this way. And it just cuts the Citadel Bluff is the name of this park, and I bet you this is what they mean by the bluff right here. Citadel Bluff Park. Well, there it is. Never knew it was here. We will be back when this one's running. We will come back here and get better photos of the waterfall, definitely. It's insane. Can't wait. The only thing is trying to figure out how to get to it when it's running. We'll figure that out. I'm sure there was a trail marked at one time. See, there's a parking lot right there. But obviously right now I'm walking in what would be the running creek. And there's some spots that looks like it could get pretty deep too. So probably ain't gonna be doing that when the water's running. So if we can cross the creek, there's a four-wheeler trail or something up in here. If we get the Jeep, we'll remember that, just saying. Might be another ditch, I don't know. And see, there's the hill I had to come up and go down on both sides to get there. So if I just come up the hill and walk that ridge right there, I should be able to walk right around to the waterfall in the summertime. Here's hoping. Let's see how we get through here. Last section of this road. Till there's a gate right there that somebody is too much else to take down. There's a creek right over there. There's the creek where the boat ramp is on the other side of this part of the creek over here. And this is a paved road. See what's down and see if there's any campsites left or any visible things left from the old camps. I've never been out this way, so I don't know. I know there's another road up top, and I'm thinking this just circles back around to it. But I don't know why it would be here. But you see there's that big bluff up there, so you couldn't really put a hole. I don't know. Let's see what we can find. There's a Y right here. It turns off. Here we go. Now we're finding some grown up stuff. There we go. So there's a road that cuts off right here. And we start seeing them. Y'all see it? There's another one right back there. Your old picnic table pavilions. Get in here and get a look. There's your pavilion where you put whatever under. This is the camp spot, back your trailer in right here. And you would have your picnic area back there. So there's one spot left anyway. I want to come cut some trees down and try to get a trailer in here somehow. I would love to bring a tent out here one night, just camp on these camp spots. We circle around this way. So it looks like that one was to another one. There's that same one we just looked at with the picnic table. Somebody may grab the picnic table out of the other one. So there's 2 spots. We're just following this road over here around now, because we're seeing more and more in the woods. The more we look, the cooler, the more stuff we find around here. So here would be another one. There's a little pavilion right up there. Crazy, man. I'm really surprised they ain't on both sides of the road, honestly, but like I said, guys, the river's just right on the other side of these trees over here, so I didn't think this would be that long of a walk around here, to be honest with you. When the tree squeaks when you walk underneath of it, Here's another one. There's a pavilion here. Really can't see it up there in them trees. Here would be the back end spot for it. Back your truck right in up here. There's the little post, and then there's your pavilion for that spot. So there's several spots out here still. Why not keep going? Most park roads all circle back around into each other, and I figured this one come up on top of the hill and then circle back to where we just came from. Oh, we got another building up here, guys. There's just a picnic table out in the woods there. There's another, probably a bathroom building or something up here in the woods. Did not expect that. Picnic tables over here. Camp spots on the river. Another one over here. Let's go, guys. We got another building. And then it starts to loop back around, like I said, probably to where we came from just a little while ago. I knew there had to be some stuff out here. What's this say? Like, we got a sign for this one. Park at park attendant living area. So this is where the park attendant lived, right here, of course. Right on the river, right next to the bathrooms. Let's go see how trash these ones are. Oh, I bet they're hammered. I bet they're absolutely hammered. What was this old box out here? Just an information box, probably. Citadel Bluff donation box. I think it's beyond donations now. So what we got? There's sign right there. We'll get to in a minute. Citadel Bluff 3, Building 3. We've seen 2, so there's one more somewhere. They do have these locked up, but we can look in right here. You can tell it ain't been in a long, long time. Terribly sad, honestly. Terribly sad, in my opinion, to see these places go to waste like this. I bet it was a nice park, and there's still so many people around here that do camp. I don't understand why things get shut down the way they do. So that one says just women's. There's not another way in of this one. I want to see that one door. Right there, and then there's one on the other side. Okay, there's two here. It's an in and out door though. These are more of yeah, probably showers. Okay, and then you would come out of there, and you have a pretty view if the trees weren't still there at the bluff, and it looks like water runs all down that bluff. Let's see if we got anything on the sign. Oh, yep. Let's see. The old rules and regulations. Still there. Looks like everybody's popped it and taken everything else out. And then you got a little parking area right here. And this whole road would have ran up the edge of the bluff. What the fuck? What the heck? I'm sorry, guys. I try not to cuss on these. This place is just amazing. I mean, look at the... Let me get up here in the shade. Just look at that bluff line. You had the views of a lifetime from this park. There's a fence all around that. I wonder if that's private or there's a way to get up there and look over this bluff. I will find out today. Guys, this place is just epic. And I'm still on a road. I don't know where it goes. I don't think it's pavement anymore. I think this one's a dirt road. Probably don't go up there very far. We're going to turn around here in a minute. I don't think there's going to be any more park related stuff up this way. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. There's an armadillo. He's up in there. This road just keeps going right along this bluff. And I said I need to turn around and head back because we're getting out of the... There's another one. Armadillo season back there, I guess. But I'm glad I didn't because I see another building. So this is definitely still part of the park. This right here looks like somebody's kind of cleaned up on it. Probably walked down here to fish or something, maybe. See what we got here. Thorns, that's what we got here. Okay. Looks like a little gas meter right here beside it. CB04, so it's definitely part of the Citadel Bluff Park. This is, okay, this is where you worked your tanks out. Alright, let's go back up here to this main road. Like I said, we're going to turn around, but God, look at that bluff line. How does a state park that beautiful, this beautiful, still, even with the ruin and overgrowth, how does it get, how does it not get the attention with this as your drive-in point? We got a cave. Y'all seen one? Yeah. We got a cave? Or do we just got an indention? Oh, just an indention. Dang. Not that we're dressed for no cave hunting or searching today, but this place is just, it's huge and just keeps going and going and going and going. This may have been the end of it. Camp spot parked right here. And then where the bluffs separate right there. And then it just circles back around. But it did not come out to that road that I thought was the dead end. So now we got a long track back. On this side, let's see what we see. See, there's camp spots all in here on the river here, all up in here. A couple there. And then this is where that little building and the water station was that we just saw. And that explains why that road circles around. Right here at the camp, it comes back out this way, where you would head back out to the main road. That's just crazy to me. Anyway, we're back at the main road, and I'm gonna walk on back up to the concrete, and then I'll get back with y'all. Back to where we came in at, there's a woman's shower, or the showers and the sign. Road we came in on straight ahead. Not making any sense to what the other one up the hill is, unless it goes up there to that bluff. So, see, that's where we walked that, I believe. Make sure we check this out already. There's so much deer stand right up there. You see that? Not surprised. I'm pretty sure we came back here already. That's the yield sign. Yeah, we've already been back here. But yeah, that bluff just runs all through here, and I'm guessing the other road has to go to it, maybe. Anyway, let's head back to the car. And if I find anything else along the way, I'll just pull y'all back up. Because other than the bluff, there's just nothing else. I mean, nothing we haven't already seen. So, if I find anything else, I'll be back with y'all. If not, I'll see y'all when we get to the other road. There we go. If you look real close down there in the woods, you can see right there. There's that shower room we were just in. So, like I said, I think that's pretty much all we'll find out this way. It's just some more picnic table stuff. We'll go a little bit farther just to see. You would think there would be a couple shower rooms for them up here too. Maybe. Oh, well, there's a great big pavilion up there. I guess we're going to go on just a little bit farther. We can't make up our minds. We keep finding all the stuff. There's a pavilion or a picnic table. So this may have been the park for like kids to play maybe or something up here. Most places have something like that. And I haven't seen it here yet. It wasn't down there. More picnic tables. And sorry I'm out of breath, guys. Like I said, I'm not young anymore, and a lot of this is uphill. And another camp spot here, but this one looks pretty neat. We're gonna check it out. Picnic table will be right there. Again, run right along the edge of the bluff, overlooking the river. Trying to hurry this one. I gotta get back down before my kids get out of school. But I can't turn around when there's this much stuff everywhere. Here we're starting to see more of the old paved road that was up in here, but the camp buildings are starting to grow up more and more on that side. Here's the parking spots for what would have been your big, for everybody to use, picnic pavilion. Right here, got one picnic table left in it. Still got your sides on it. It would have overlooked the river. I'm sure they kept all that brush cut at the time this was open. And there's another one. Number 5 armadillos. Them things are all over the place up here. Alright, so I'm gonna imagine that's probably it. Passing there. I think if they would have had bathrooms back here, you'd think they'd be in this vicinity next to that. I would think anyway. I may be wrong. What I know I'm not wrong back is this is a big waste of money. Just sitting out here growing up like this. There's more stuff down here. Just sitting out here in ruins. I was expecting could have had to do this. Just a big wide turnaround spot, it looks like. Yep. So this is probably another washout spot for trucks and campers. We have the water fountain thing right up in the center. You get around here so you can see over the curve there. Like it would have had a pipe or something coming out of it at one time. And then of course, your gorgeous river view. And then to the very back, with just another picnic table down there by the river, just, you know, eat snack. Little fire pit right there, so I guess you could camp right here if you wanted to at one time. This could have been a camp spot. Okay? But that is all there is, man. And it was awesome. It was worth seeing. I hear another one. So, yep, there it is, right there by the fence. That's number 6. What is up with all the armadillos in this park? Anyway, I'm going to let y'all walk out with me back to the car. I want to tell y'all again, I appreciate all of y'all that have liked the page and liked the pictures. Not only on here, but on Facebook, Instagram, or on TikTok. And we've seen lots of love from showing these old abandoned places. All you that have subscribed already, that's fantastic. I hope we keep getting subscribers, keep this channel growing. As you've seen today, I'm out driving around. I constantly find abandoned homes that are here. They're all over. And I intend to search them and find them and share them with you guys. This here is history shutting down. This is history disappearing. I'm sure there's people still here in this area even that remember coming and camping with their families during the summer at this park, or having birthdays in this pavilion, or, you know, That's where it gets me, and I'm not sure still that there's not some bathrooms up in these woods, guys. There's got to be another building somewhere still, but we're gonna go ahead and call that a day. And like I said, thank y'all. Thank y'all so much for just hanging out with me and enjoying these abandoned places as much as I do. And we'll see you in the next episode of Abandoned Countryside.